Prehistoric marine mammals evolved from land-dwelling ancestors, gradually adapting to life in the oceans and giving rise to some of the most impressive creatures to ever inhabit the seas. Early whales, such as Ambulocetus, known as the walking whale, still had functional legs and could move between land and water, while later forms like Basilosaurus became fully aquatic, growing up to 60 feet long with an elongated, serpentine body. Leviathan melvillei, a massive predatory sperm whale, rivaled Megalodon in size and preyed on large marine animals using its enormous, serrated teeth. Other early marine mammals, like desmostallions, were strange, hippo-like creatures that lived in coastal waters, grazing on sea plants. The ancestors of today's sea cows, the Sirenia, once included larger and more diverse species, such as Steller sea cow, which survived until the 18th century before being hunted to extinction. These prehistoric marine mammals laid the foundation for the modern cetaceans, pinnipeds, and sirenians that now dominate the oceans, showcasing an incredible evolutionary journey from land to sea. Dorudon was an extinct genus of early whales that lived during the late Eocene epoch, around 40 to 33 million years ago. These ancient marine mammals were smaller than their modern relatives, typically measuring about 5 meters, 16 feet, in length. Dorudon possessed streamlined bodies and strong, elongated tails, suggesting they were agile swimmers. Unlike modern whales, Dorudon retained vestigial hind limbs, hinting at their evolutionary transition from land-dwelling ancestors to fully aquatic creatures. Their sharp, conical teeth indicate a diet primarily consisting of fish and squid. Fossil evidence of Dorudon provides critical insights into the evolution of cetaceans, illustrating the gradual adaptation of these mammals from terrestrial to marine environments. The warm coastal waters of the late Eocene epoch were much like modern tropical oceans, with one crucial exception. Eocene seas were home to an unusual and gigantic early whale called Basilosaurus. Basilosaurus was one of the first whales to grow truly gigantic in size. Their large bulk meant they required a great deal of food to sustain themselves, and it is thought that most Basilosaurus spent their days swimming through deeper waters, hunting for potential prey. Basilosaurus was not a particularly fussy eater. Fish, sharks, squid, turtles, and other marine mammals were all a staple part of its diet, and Basilosaurus was well equipped to find and tackle prey with its keen eyesight and hearing. Like modern whales, Basilosaurus was an air breather and could not stay underwater for long periods. It would have needed to return to the surface to breathe through its blowhole, which was located further back on its head compared to modern whales. Squalodon was an extinct genus of toothed whales that lived during the Oligocene and Miocene epochs, roughly 33 to 14 million years ago. Belonging to the family Squalodonidae, these prehistoric cetaceans are known for their long, narrow snouts filled with both conical and serrated teeth, resembling those of modern dolphins and suggesting a diet of fish and other marine prey. Squalodon possessed a well-developed melon organ, indicating that it likely had echolocation abilities similar to modern toothed whales. Fossil evidence suggests that these animals were widespread, with remains discovered in Europe, North America, and New Zealand. Although they shared similarities with modern dolphins, Squalodon represented an early branch of whale evolution and was part of a now extinct lineage.
Alodesmus was an extinct genus of pinniped, or seal, that lived during the Miocene epoch, approximately 14 to 10 million years ago. This ancient seal was part of the family Otariidae, which includes modern sea lions and fur seals. Alodesmus was unique for its large size, with some species reaching lengths of up to 4 meters, 13 feet, making it one of the larger pinnipeds of its time. Unlike modern seals, Alodesmus had well-developed hind limbs that allowed it to move on land more efficiently, although it still spent a significant amount of time in the water. Fossils of Alodesmus have been found primarily along the coastlines of North America, and its adaptations suggest it was a proficient swimmer, likely hunting fish and other marine prey. The genus provides valuable insights into the evolution of pinnipeds and their adaptation to both terrestrial and aquatic environments.
Acrophyseter was an extinct genus of sperm whale that lived during the Miocene epoch, around 7 million years ago. Unlike modern sperm whales, which primarily feed by suction, Acrophyseter had large, robust teeth in both its upper and lower jaws, suggesting it was an active predator capable of seizing and tearing apart prey. Its strong bite and forward-facing eyes indicate it likely hunted large fish, squid, and even other marine mammals. Fossils of Acrophyseter have been discovered in Peru, providing insights into the ancient marine ecosystems of South America. As part of a now extinct lineage of macroraptorial sperm whales, Acrophyseter highlights the diversity of prehistoric cetaceans before modern sperm whales evolved their specialized deep diving and suction feeding behaviors. Zygophyseter was an extinct genus of macroraptorial sperm whale that lived during the late Miocene, around 7 to 5 million years ago. Measuring about 6 to 7 meters, 20 to 23 feet, in length, it was a powerful predator equipped with large, interlocking teeth in both its upper and lower jaws, unlike modern sperm whales, which mainly rely on suction feeding. This suggests that Zygophyseter actively hunted large prey, including fish, squid, and possibly even smaller marine mammals. Its streamlined body and strong jaws earned it the nickname killer sperm whale, as it likely filled a predatory role similar to that of modern orcas. Fossils discovered in Italy provide valuable insights into the ancient Mediterranean ecosystem, where Zygophyseter would have been a formidable apex predator in its time. Eurhinodelphis was an extinct genus of toothed whale that thrived during the Miocene epoch, around 16 to 10 million years ago. Known for its distinctive long, narrow snout, which could measure nearly half its body length, Eurhinodelphis resembled modern river dolphins but lived in marine environments. This elongated rostrum was likely an adaptation for hunting small fish and squid, allowing it to probe into narrow spaces and capture prey with precision. Fossil evidence indicates that Eurhinodelphis was a fast swimmer, aided by its streamlined body and well-developed flippers. Leviathan was a colossal, extinct genus of sperm whale that existed during the Miocene epoch, approximately 12 to 13 million years ago. It was named after Leviathan, the infamous biblical sea creature. Leviathan was an impressive predator, attaining lengths of up to 17 meters, 56 feet. In contrast to contemporary sperm whales, which mainly consume squid, Leviathan possessed enormous, sturdy teeth that could reach up to 36 centimeters, 14 inches, in length, indicating that it hunted large marine creatures, including other whales. Its powerful jaw and substantial teeth positioned it as one of the leading predators of its era, coexisting with other giants such as the megalodon shark.